Well, I'm back. Got me the right size wrench anyway for it instead of just a pair of channel locks. Adjusted my knee pad down here. You guys can't see that, but old farts, they need knee pads. So I went ahead and loosed it up a little bit so I wouldn't have to be struggling to get her loose. And then maybe she'll twist right off of there now. Whee! Here it goes. See what kind of a mess we have here. Oh yeah, there it went. Flipped right out of these fingers. Get her cleaned up with the rag down here I already had laying down here. Pair of pants. Works good. So then we'll go ahead and clean up this plug. Get all the nasties out of it. Clean up the floor a little bit here. Spilt a little bit of oil on it. Surprise, surprise. And I throw a little oil on my fingers here. You guys can see she's pretty nasty oil. I'm gonna say I bought this 706 Farmall 1964. Oh, probably about 3 weeks ago or so, as I was needing something to take snow off the yard. And dadgummit, my Cub Cadet that I had using for that one is about a 90 something super tractor Cub Cadet. Nice tractor. A beautiful little motor on it, but doggone PTO clutch is wearing out on it. And it was dang close to $1,000 for the PTO clutch, and shoot, for a few dollars more, I just buy this tractor. I don't have to mess with it. Then I got something that's going to move whatever I want to move. So there you go. I'm just going to go ahead and let that drip on out of there for at least a little bit. And then I'll set back up again so that, well, right, you can see it right here. It's a old canister style filter right here that I'll be taking off and putting a new filter in there. Can't hardly see it with all the loader that's on this tractor. You can't hardly see that, but you'll be able to see a little bit of what's going on anyway.